Hello everyone, I'm Anna and welcome back to my beauty channel. For today's recipe, I chose an oatmeal and honey mask. Very easy to make and to use and has a lot of skin benefits. First of all, it helps soothe your skin for people who suffer from any dry skin condition, acne, sensitive skin. Sometimes on the internet you will find information that such homemade skin treatments can help with more serious skin issues such as eczema or psoriasis. But I cannot vouch for that, as there is obviously no medical proof to back up such claims. The ingredients, as the title says, are very self-explanatory. I use honey, organic honey, about 2 tablespoons of it. And honey is very good because it hydrates, it protects the skin, it helps repair the natural skin barrier that gets damaged by sun exposure, makeup, skincare products that are more aggressive. So honey can help with all of that. And the second ingredient is obviously oats. I put mine into a grinder and make them into a much finer version of it. It's not really a powder. Some people use oat powder to make this face mask, but I don't find it necessary. I feel like regular oats, just grind it a little bit and it works just well. The benefits of using oats is because it helps with the skin cell regeneration. It also acts as an exfoliant. So after using this mask, your skin should be left completely clean of all the dead cells, of all the probably makeup particles that might be left into your skin. Let's get to mixing it. So the mixing is very simple, pretty obvious. Just add the oats into the honey. And I just use a Q-tip to mix them both together. And now for the application process, I will also use the Q-tip to help apply the mixture to my face. And then I will help spread it everywhere with my fingers. Obviously you have to make sure that your hands are clean, as it should be. Well, I give up. I'll just use my fingers all together. You have to be careful because this process can get a little bit messy, but that is actually why I recommend that you grind the oats beforehand, because it will help make a mixture that will stick to your face easier. The bigger oats might actually fall right away. Like with pretty much any other skincare routine, you have to always make sure that you apply it to your neck area too, because this area also needs the same kind of love as the skin on your face. So this is it for the application. This is what it looks like. Very attractive, right? You should leave it on for at least 15 minutes to have its effects on your skin, but me, I prefer to leave it on for much longer than that, usually at least half an hour. So I guess I'll see you in half an hour. So it has been already more than 30 minutes since I put this on, and one thing that I want to mention is that it does get really sticky, and after a while, if you keep it on your face for that long, it does start dripping around. So you might want to be careful with that, like where do you go, what do you do, because you might get pieces of oats mixed with honey dripping all around you. Now for the removing part of it, what I do is I just wash it off with some lukewarm water. While I do that, I also massage it on the skin a little bit because that helps exfoliate the skin furthermore. So yeah, let's get going. This was it for the oatmeal and honey mask. This left my skin very soft and it feels really fresh. It does feel like it just needs, you know, a little bit of care, like maybe a mild hydrating cream. But then again, that is something that you will use after any face mask that you will put on. So I will go do that. And you can go leave a comment below. Tell me if you use this kind of a mask and do you use any other ingredients to it. I know there's a lot of variants of honey and oatmeal mask out there. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet and ring the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all next time. Bye!